Dear viewers, in today's video we're going to show you the top 10 amazing Kreg tools for woodworking to buy this year. Let's begin. Kreg KMA3000E Panel Carrier. The Kreg KMA3000E Panel Carrier revolutionizes the way you handle plywood and large panels. With a capacity of up to 100 pounds, this carrier makes moving sheets effortless. Its ergonomic design allows for one-handed carrying, preventing strain during transport. It securely holds full 4x8 sheets up to 3/4 inch thick, ensuring stability and safety during use. The large pads are covered with Kreg grip mats, providing a strong, secure hold without causing damage to the material. The ergonomic handle features thick padding for comfortable carrying, and its design tightens the pads for a secure grip as you lift, preventing slipping. Whether you're transporting materials from the store or moving them around your workspace, the Kreg panel carrier is an essential tool for any woodworking project. Kreg KDRV-90DG Pocket Hole Driver. The Kreg KDRV-90DG 90 degrees pocket hole driver transforms your drill into a versatile tool for reaching tight spaces. With its compact design, this driver allows you to drive screws in areas inaccessible to standard drills. It includes a 3-inch square drive bit with a magnetic tip for secure screw locking, ensuring confident screw driving even in challenging positions. Compatible with all hex shank bits, it offers flexibility beyond pocket hole screws. Its ergonomic design ensures comfortable use with one hand, while its impact-rated construction adds durability. Whether you're working on pocket hole joints or other projects requiring precise screw driving, the Kreg 90 degrees pocket hole driver is the perfect addition to your toolkit. Kreg KDRV-FLIP Quick Flip. The Kreg KDRV-FLIP Quick Flip is a versatile tool for creating strong, simple joints using Kreg screws. With its dual-action design, it drills pilot holes and counterbores on one side and drives screws with a No. 2 square drive bit on the other. This double-ended tool allows for quick and efficient assembly of various woodworking projects. Use it for pocket hole joints, attaching false fronts, or joining corners with ease. The Quick Flip features a quick-release housing for easy bit changes, enhancing convenience and efficiency in your workflow. With its high-quality construction and compatibility with Kreg No. 2 square drive screws, the Quick Flip is a must-have tool for any woodworking enthusiast. Kreg KDG 6000 Drilling Guide. The Kreg KDG 6000 Drilling Guide simplifies the process of creating perfectly straight holes without the need for a drill press. Featuring 6 hardened steel drill guides ranging from 1/8 to 1/2, this guide ensures precise hole alignment for a variety of woodworking tasks. Its ergonomic design and grip max surface ensure stability during use, preventing drill bit wandering and ensuring accurate hole placement. The guide automatically centers on 3/4 inch wide and 1/2 wide boards and plywood, allowing for perpendicular holes centered on the material edge. Whether you're driving screws, mounting hardware, or creating dowel joints, the Kreg Drilling Guide is an indispensable tool for achieving professional results in your woodworking projects. Kreg KPHJ 520 Pro Pocket Hole Jig. The Kreg KPHJ 520 Pro Pocket Hole Jig simplifies pocket hole joinery with its fast, strong, and easy-to-use design. This versatile jig allows you to place pocket holes anywhere on or around your project, offering unparalleled flexibility. With its compatibility with materials ranging from 1/2 to 1.5 thick, it accommodates a wide range of woodworking applications. The 360 rotating handle adapts the jig to fit any project, ensuring ease of use and precision. Its portable and modular design makes it ideal for work on the go or in tight spaces. The VersaGrip 360 degrees feature allows for easy adjustment and secure clamping, while the flexible design enables perfect pocket hole placement every time. Backed by a 1-year limited warranty, the Kreg Pocket Hole Jig is a reliable and durable tool for achieving professional woodworking results. Kreg KMA 4000E Portable CROSSCUT. The Kreg KMA 4000E Portable CROSSCUT is a versatile circular saw guide that enables precise 45 or 90-degree crosscuts up to 8 inches wide. Featuring a retractable cut line indicator, this cutting tool ensures fast and easy alignment for accurate cuts every time. Its support ledge aligns the saw perfectly, enhancing efficiency and reducing the risk of errors during cutting. Compatible with left or right blade circular saws, this portable crosscut guide offers accessibility and convenience for woodworkers of all levels. The GripMax anti-slip pads hold the circular saw securely in place, allowing for confident and accurate cuts without the risk of slipping. Backed by a 1-year limited warranty, the Kreg Portable CrossCut is a reliable and durable tool for achieving professional results in woodworking projects. Kreg KHCCC 90 degrees corner clamp. The Kreg KHCCC 90 degrees corner clamp is a strong and versatile tool for woodworking projects, designed to join drawers, cabinets, cases, boxes, and more. This clamp holds mating pieces at precise 90 degrees angles for simplified joinery. Featuring Automax corner clamp technology, it automatically adjusts to with thicknesses up to 1 inch, ensuring a secure and snug fit. The clamp contains a hole for a Kreg screw to be inserted without removing the clamp, further enhancing convenience and efficiency. Its V-wedge jaws grip mating pieces securely, while edge stops help align the edges of the pieces for accurate assembly. With padded, ergonomic handles, the KHCCC corner clamp provides maximum comfort during use, making it an essential tool for woodworking enthusiasts seeking professional results. Kreg PRS 5000 Precision Router Lift. The Kreg PRS 5000 Precision Router Lift offers precise above-the-table setup changes for table-mounted routers, allowing adjustments down to 1/64. Featuring a 3/8 inch by 9¼ inches by 11 3/4 inches hard anodized aluminum plate, this router lift resists sagging and scratches, ensuring durability and reliability. Compatible with over 20 router models, it fits all Kreg router tables and many competitive brands, offering versatility and compatibility for a wide range of woodworking applications. The router lift's anti-backlash compensation ensures accurate adjustments to the bit cutting depth, further enhancing precision and consistency in routing tasks. With a carriage adjustment crank for micro adjustments down to 1/1000 inch, the PRS 5000 Precision Router Lift is a premium tool designed to help woodworkers achieve professional results with ease. Kreg KWS 500 Track Horse Tool. The Kreg KWS 500 Track Horse Tool is a versatile aluminum and steel work support system that serves as a sawhorse, clamping center, and work support for woodworking projects. Adjustable to 6 different heights, this track horse folds for compact storage and transportation, making it ideal for use in workshops and job sites. When paired with another track horse or mobile project center, 2 track horses can hold up to 2,200 pounds, creating a large workspace for various woodworking tasks. The track horse includes a Kreg 3-inch bench clamp for support brackets, 2 track bushings with screws, and an instruction manual, providing everything you need for efficient and effective woodworking. Kreg KMA 4100 CROSSCUT Station. The Kreg KMA 4100 CROSSCUT Station is a versatile circular saw guide that delivers precise miter saw results from 0 to 45-degree angles. With a 12-inch cutting capacity, this cutting tool allows for accurate cuts in materials up to 1½ inches thick. Its MDF base and SureCut backboard act as sacrificial surfaces for splinter-free cutting, ensuring clean and precise cuts every time. The metal rails guide your saw through the cut, while the kerf line provides visual guidance for accurate alignment. The left or right blade saw guide features detachable support wings to secure long materials, further enhancing stability and accuracy during cutting. With adjustable fences, angle alignments, and clamps for secure miter saw cuts, the Kreg CROSSCUT Station offers variable circular saw guide functionality for a wide range of woodworking applications. Backed by a 1-year limited warranty, this CROSSCUT Station is a reliable and durable tool for achieving professional results in woodworking projects. Bye for now. We hope this video on the top 10 amazing Kreg tools for woodworking to buy will help you find your best fit.